Good morning. And what we're going to have a look at today is how to use Capture Pro in a method where it can extract data where the principal indexing data is damaged. So for example, if we look at medical records, typically when they're received, they will come in and they will have either a barcode or a QR code applied to them by the hospital. Now, in many cases, this barcode can be damaged, it could be printed incorrectly, the printer can be low on ink, and it's faded and you don't get a good read result from this. This means then that you have to key that data from the screen, which is time consuming and laborious and of course affects your cost base. So what we're going to have a look at is Capture Pro realizing that the QR or the barcode is damaged and then actually looking at repairing that information by getting it from an alternative source. So I'm going to drop that extract in there and then go over to the Capture Pro screen. Now you can see we've got a basic job set up here and we're just waiting for the documentation to come in. And once that comes in, the first thing that Capture Pro will attempt to do is read the actual information from the QR code. So we can see here we've now brought the document in, and if we stop the scanning and zoom in a bit, we can see that this is typical of what we'd expect a copy on refotocopied paper. But let's have a look at the index information. So what we've got is we've got the items at the top, which we need to fill in when we release the batch. So this would be what we scan off the box. But the interesting part here is 2D. So Capture Pro has recognized that the 2D barcode here is actually damaged. So it's fallen back onto a secondary system where it actually analyzes the page to pull the information we need out. So here we have the forename of Kate that is pulled through, surname Tambrone, gender female, date of birth and date of first appointment, which is actually pulled out the document itself. Now, it's important to realize that this isn't zonal OCR because zones could move everywhere. If you draw a box here, next scan, it could be up here slightly, and that doesn't work. So this is actually using full page analytics. And what this allows you to do is reduce the number of exceptions that are needed to be manually keyed from any given batch. So if you are having a 20% failure rate, this type of system backing that up could possibly capture another 15%, bringing your failure rate down to 5. And in today's day and age of capturing data and reducing as much manual intervention as possible, that has to be a good thing. So if this is of interest to you, it might be medical records, it might be claims forms, it could be anything where you're keying from that initial barcode or QR code and you're finding high exception rates. Give your local Kodak Alaris representative a call and see if Capture Pro could fit the job for you. Thank you very much for listening.